Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use a PS4 controller to play Valorant. First, ensure you have a compatible PlayStation 4 controller and a personal computer running a recent version of Windows. Your computer needs Bluetooth connectivity, or you can use a USB cable for a direct connection. Then, you will need to install specialized software, such as DS4 Windows, which acts as a bridge, mapping your controller's inputs to keyboard and mouse commands. This initial setup is crucial for the controller to be recognized properly. To begin, download the latest stable version of DS4 Windows from its official source on the internet. Once the download is complete, locate the compressed file and extract its contents into a dedicated folder on your hard drive. This keeps everything organized. Next, launch the DS4 Windows application itself and carefully follow the clear, on-screen prompts. These steps typically involve installing essential drivers that allow your computer to correctly interpret signals from your PlayStation 4 controller, ensuring smooth operation. After DS4 Windows is running, connect your PlayStation 4 controller to your computer using either Bluetooth or a USB cable. Inside the application, you can create a brand new profile or customize an existing one specifically for Valorant. This is where you will map keyboard keys, like W for forward movement, and mouse actions, such as left-click for firing, to your chosen controller buttons. Remember to also fine-tune the sensitivity of your joysticks and adjust button responses to achieve precise aiming and comfortable gameplay. Now, launch Valorant and navigate to the game's main settings menu to make some crucial adjustments. It is often beneficial to disable any raw mouse input options if they appear, as DS4 Windows already manages your controller's data efficiently. Experiment with various in-game sensitivity levels, perhaps starting with a lower number like 0.25, and adjust dead zones for your joysticks to prevent unintended movements. Spend valuable time in the practice range. This dedicated space is perfect for refining your aim and perfecting your new control scheme.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.